after inter. So generally after intermediate completed, the BIPC students are very much worried about the what is the future, but I am telling you very important courses after inter for BIPC students. So BIPC students, you don't worry about your future. So that's a very important course BIPC. So the mainly generally the degree courses, we first of all we must concentrate degree general after inter BIPC. So generally all students want to enter the degree. So the degree courses are generally BSc, BZC. BZC means botany, zoology, chemistry present in general course. So generally next another course in BIPC students for in degree BZC computers and BSc computers and botany, zoology only computer science, not in chemistry. So next to BSc biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry. So many courses present for degree students for BIPC, biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry. These are very useful to enter into the labs side. So after completion of the degree, so when you want to teacher, you must enter into the entrance exam, B.Ed, Bachelor of Education, and you want to high school teacher B.Ed and primary teacher you want to D.Ed. So next you want to lecturer. So related to your degree subjects, you must enter in the PG courses. So as a botany or zoology, chemistry or computer science, any microbiology, biotechnology, chemistry, any subject PG according to and related your degree subject. And you want to professor in universities and other pharmacy colleges, so PhD course. And you want to see also after degree you must choose this course. And you want to IAS or IPS, so you must to write the civil service examination. This is the common courses. And through the MSET, so each and every government, every state MSET examination. So MSET examination is by BIPC students. So many courses present after completion of the MSET entrance examination. So you will get a good rank. So according to your rank, you may choose BSc veterinary science, Ayurvedic surgery and food technology, FT, fisheries sciences, animal husbandry, biotechnology, BSc agriculture, horticulture, neuropathy and surgery, B pharmacy, D pharmacy, or BSc nursing. So this BSc nursing is a course very famous in these days, and D pharmacy, B pharmacy and agriculture. So these four courses are very interestingly chooses the so many students. And remaining also veterinary science, so many important in nowadays. So these are courses present in MSET. After you will get good rank, according to rank you will get this course through the counseling. And next to all India level NEET examination conductation for BIPC students only especially. So these NEET examination only for MBBS courses, BDS, BHMS homeopathy and BAMS Ayurvedam and BUMS Unani and other courses. MBBS generally very famous course in doctor courses, NEET. And BDS dentist, Bachelor of Dental Surgeon. And BHMS Bachelor of Homeopathy, BAMS Bachelor of Ayurvedic, and BUMS Bachelor of Unani. So these courses are very important for NEET entrance examination only for BIPC students. We want to doctor, MBBS and BDS, BHMS, BAMS, BUMS. These NEET entrance examination all India level is very important. And other also present D.Ed. If you want to teach a D.Ed course, if you want to law set, and if you want to PD physical director BPED, if you want to as a MBA, BBA in degree you can choose. If you also a fashion designer, you want a fashion designing course. If you want to hotel management, so you must choose as a another courses also. So other courses also present for BIPC students. And other students, music also one of the surviving subject. Music, painting, photography, fire safety, web designing, tourism, mass communication, hotel management, animation, modeling, interior designing. So these are the another courses, professional courses present if you want to do, and you will get easily getting job and also well settled in your life. So okay, thank you.